What's up, guys? This is Will of Will's Gadgets and More, back with another video. So today I'm going to be taking a look at a smartwatch fitness tracker. Now this was sent over to me by a company called TouchElex, so a big shout out to them for sending this over for a review. So this is the TouchElex smartwatch for Android phones and iOS, compatible with iPhones, Samsung phones as well. This can be worn by men or women. This has a 1.2-inch HD screen. This has a oxygen monitor, heart rate monitor. This is IP68 waterproof. And this is a smartwatch fitness tracker. Right now, you can pick this up on Amazon for $39.99. They also have a coupon for an extra $10 off if you want to pick it up. So let's take a look at a few of the features and details of this watch. So this is the TouchElex Sirius smartwatch. This has a vibrant TFT display, enhanced colors and clarity, the 1.5-inch display, full touch display. You can monitor your blood oxygen levels. This has 14 sports modes. You got things such as outdoor cycling, ping pong, football, basketball, trekking, badminton, rowing machine, yoga, just a whole host of them that you can go over and read here. This has a 24/7 heart rate monitor. This has a sleep quality monitor. This also tracks your rehydration and sedentary reminders. IP68 water resistant, only weighs 17 grams. It has a remote control for taking photography, and it also has great battery life. 2 hours of charge equals to 7 days of use. And also with this, you can also view your calls and notifications. I don't think you can respond to them on the watch, but those are a few of the features and details. This does have a pedometer on it as well, but I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want to pick this up. Over on Amazon.com. Like I said, right now it is $39.99. So let's get into it. So here's the packaging that it comes in. Very nice looking packaging here. I like when companies take that extra time to make their packaging look good. So on the outside of it, 14 sports modes, blood oxygen monitoring. You got your heart rate monitoring and sleep monitor. That's that. And then on this side, you're going to have a HD color screen, personalized watch faces, message reminders, and call reminders. And that is about it. So let's crack this box open and check it out and see what's all in here. And we'll get this set up, and I'm going to try it, put the knife up, and let you guys know what I think about this sports tracker smartwatch. For the top. All right, so that's that. Let's see what's all inside of the box. So we get our smartwatch. We're going to put that to the side for now. See what else is included here. So we're going to have our charger, which is a proprietary charger, looks like it here. And then you got your USB-A on this end. And you also have your instructions guide here. Telling you everything about your watch, your quick start, and how to set it up. So we may have to take a look at that, but we'll see. And let's look at the watch. So here's the watch. And it has a rubbery feeling band here. On the back, you got your sensors there. You got your place where you will charge it, like so. And it is magnetized, like so. It'll go right there, just like that. And then you got your different sensors here for your heart rate monitor, oxygen level, things of that nature. Very light feeling. You do have some instructions on the front, telling you this is the function button. Please charge watch to activate the watch before use. And then here's the 1.52 inch display. So here it is, and let's go ahead and see if it has any power. It says to charge it, but I'm going to see if it's got power anyway, and it does. So it looks like there is a barcode that you have to scan here. So I'm going to go ahead and get my Z Fold 3 set up here. Okay guys, so we're back in. I have the TouchElex paired to my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. The barcode that was on the watch face, once you scan it, it will take you to the Play Store where you're going to download this app for the watch. It's called the TouchElex app right there. And within that app, you're going to be able to set up your watch and customize it like you want. And it's pretty easy. Once you open up the app, you have to create an account, and it'll walk you through each step that you need to do. And then then you're in. So it's pretty easy. Let's take a look at the watch face, the watch first. So this is the watch. As you guys see, it takes a element from the Apple Watch here. It looks very much like the Apple Watch. Now, I have been wearing it for 24 hours since the first part of the video, and I have to tell you that the watch is pretty nice. So this is one of the watch faces that comes on the watch. So let's go through some of the features on it. So if you swipe down from the top, this is where you're going to see your notifications that you have come in. Now, the only thing you can do is view the notification or clear them. You're not going to be able to respond to them. If you want to respond, you're going to have to open them up on your phone. Now, if you scroll this way, this is where you can tap to measure your heart rate. And the heart rate is pretty accurate in my opinion. It's right on point. This is, if you scroll over one more time, this is your sleep tracker. You can see all your data that you have. I didn't sleep with it on last night, so no data for me. This is your music controller. This is your weather. And then this is your total. This is where you're going to get your total for all of your, like your calories burned, your steps, your standing. All of that's going to be right there, and that's going to be it. So if you stroll up from the bottom, this is where you get to most of your controls here. This does have Find My Phone. So as you guys see, it'll play a little tune there. Help you find your device. Then you're going to have Raise to Wake. You can turn that on or off. You do have Do Not Disturb as well. We have a flashlight on board. You can turn on or off. You also have a way to control your brightness. Goes up to 5. Where it is for me right now is great. And then you have your main settings where you can choose your different watch faces. Comes with some on board, you guys can see, and you can also download more watch faces. And then you can control your brightness from here. You can auto lock it, your QR code, regulatory, then your system settings where you can reboot, power off, and reset. So that is pretty much the watch. But if you press it one time, then you can get into all your features here. If you want to go into your workout mode there, your stats, you can go into your music player, just about everything that was on the front screen you can get here. So that's the layout that it has. And I have to say, man, it's very lightweight. You know, it's a nice watch for the price point, man. So let's take a look at the app now. So here's the app. It's called TouchElex. So within this app, this is where you're going to be able to see all of your information. At the top, it's going to have your recent updates, the model number of the watch. You're going to be able to see your steps. As you guys see, I haven't been too active earlier in the morning. Workout record, no sports recorded. Exercise records. Sleep, this is where you can see how much sleep you had, your heart rate, what it's been ranging, your SO2, SPO2, your calories, and you can edit these cards as well. Then the next over, this is where your workout. You can set your goals if you want to run, bike, or exercise for an hour, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 2 hours, whatever you want. You can set this. And you got your outdoor cycling, walking, and riding. And the last page over, this is where, this is your personal center. If I click this up where it says wheel, you're going to be able to see my height, my weight, date of birth, all of that stuff there. And you're also going to be seeing your percentage on your battery right here. This is where you can get more watch faces, as you guys see. Tons of watch faces here. And then you're going to be able to control if you want incoming call notifications. You can go in and set your water reminder. If you want to remind yourself to drink water, stand up reminders, alarms. You can set different alarms that if you need those. Message notifications. You can see which of these apps that you want to receive notifications from. Reminder, activity goals. So you can set your walking, running, and then you have your heart rate monitor. You can decide if you wanted to do it 24 hours a day. And more settings. This is where you got stuff like weather forecasts, women's health, whatever that is. I didn't go into depth on that. And then your firmware. And this is where you can control your camera on your phone right there. You can set that up. So pretty nice app on the watch as well. And I think the watch works great, man, for the price range. Let me show you the guys the watch on my arm and let you guys see how it looks. All right, so here it is on my arm. This is a 1.52-inch display, and it's very colorful, man, and it fits great. Very lightweight, and functions well for someone who won't need all of the bells and whistles of something like a Apple Watch or, your more expensive watches. This thing has a lot of great features, and I think it'll work well for anyone. So the link will be in the description if you guys want to pick this up. Catch you guys in the next video. Wheels, Gadgets, and more. I'm out.